I had the gastric sleeve procedure. I lost about 86 pounds immediately following the surgery. I had lost a little bit before that trying to prepare for the surgery. So total was about 111 pounds, and that was over a period of about 7 months. I didn't feel attractive, felt very, very sluggish, and just didn't like what I saw. I would wake up in the morning and I'd hit the snooze button probably 3 or 4 times because I was so tired. I didn't want to get out of bed. For the most part, I sit behind a desk, but I do go out and visit clients sometimes. And if I had to climb stairs to go visit those clients, I would be so winded, I would have to stop and get my breath before I could go into their office. After work, I would go home, have dinner, and probably sit on the sofa and watch TV. I just didn't have much energy to do anything else. I've done the Weight Watchers program, did other kinds of diets, the South Beach diet. I even had hypnosis. I had the staples put in my ears one time trying to lose weight. And I've been kind of on a yo-yo type weight loss plan and, lose it and gain it back a little bit more every time. So I've tried just about everything. Before the surgery, I had a lot of health issues and was on a lot of medications. I had high blood pressure, diabetic, my cholesterol levels were high. Prior to having the surgery and before anyone else I knew had had it, I was skeptical. And I think part of it was that I felt like it was cheating. My doctor gave me a lot of information the first visit when I went in, but as I had additional questions, I could call. They would answer all my questions. He was always positive in explaining what was going to happen. Every time I visited with him, he was encouraging, and I just felt like he made me feel at ease. They were very thorough in explaining the procedure, what to expect afterward. I have no complaints at all about anything that they did or said. They were just fabulous. Recovery time was pretty quick. It only took about 2 weeks, I think, for me to really feel back to normal, and I was back at work and doing things like I normally did. There was really not much pain at all. That was gone within a couple of days. Since the surgery, I am off all medications other than my vitamins. I've been able to do a lot of walking, a lot of swimming, feel a whole lot better about getting out and getting an exercise and actually miss it when I can't. Now when I look in the mirror, I feel wonderful. I have a lot more self-confidence. I feel a little more attractive. I feel like it's easier to approach people, to talk to people. I don't feel so embarrassed about my weight. It's just a wonderful feeling. It's not an automatic fix. It's not going to happen overnight. You still have to do a lot of things to help yourself. And so the surgery is just kind of a kickstart to get everything rolling. The weight will drop off at first, but you have to stay with it. You have to follow the guidelines. You have to do things to make it continue to happen. I think it's well worth the cost because your life, I think, improves so much afterward. I feel wonderful now. This has just been the most positive experience for me, and I'm so happy with the results. I couldn't be happier.